Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how to operate voice recorder on this smartphone. Start by locating recorder app and tapping on it. Now you need to usually choose allow in the pop-ups, but I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and if you wish to end your recording and save it, tap on the square one. Now you can rename it by clicking on this little pen icon over here and typing in wherever you wish to. Save your changes by choosing OK. If you wish to play your recording, you need to tap on it.
Right away to start
Select
our recording.
Allow. And if you wish to delete it, you need to go back, hold it, click on Remove icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!